Let us tell you at the beginning that unclogging the arteries and removing fat from them is very important, as it is known that the arteries carry blood from your heart to the rest of your body to feed it. And when some obstacles and barriers get in the way which prevents the normal blood flow, the person then has a heart condition and the pressure rises continuously. These diseases, of course, represent many health problems, to the degree that they even imperil people's lives. Hence, the advice came by that everybody should consider using methods to clean the arteries from the accumulation of fats and other harmful substances. Over time, this can be achieved by eating some meals that contain natural essential elements. It is possible to dispense with chemical medications, but if the matter reaches a degree of exacerbation, the medical intervention using various drugs and treatment methods, including surgery, might get required. And you guys know the old adage saying that prevention is 1,000 times better than treatment. So some healthy habits can be preventative against such serious problems. On the other hand, some bad habits can contribute directly to these health issues. Diet can play a big role in improving your heart health and reducing your risk for a buildup of plaque. It's never too late to eat a healthier diet. A heart-healthy diet contains plenty of good fats and low amount of bad fats. Add more good fats to your diet. Cut sources of saturated fat. Eliminate artificial sources of trans fats. Increase your fiber intake. Cut back on sugar. The sugar found in processed foods like cookies, ice cream, and sugar-sweetened beverages doesn't have nutritional value. What about natural remedies that can help to regress blockage and prevent further damage to your arteries? Well, our recommendation of the day is this mixture. Garlic, ginger, and lemon, all added to warm water. This mixture is strong and very useful in cases of clogged arteries, and is also useful to free your arteries of buildup. Moreover, exercise can improve your cardiovascular health and help prevent cardiac issues. If you're not physically active, start slowly. Go for a walk once or twice a week. When that fits into your schedule, go for more walks. It's important to always talk with your doctor before starting a new exercise routine. In the end, we would like to remind you of hitting the like button and the subscribe so that you always stay tuned. And if there is someone you care about, do not forget to share this video with them. Stay healthy.